Welcome back! In the previous video, we showed how to set up a new conversion in your advertiser's dashboard. If you missed it, check the suggested video in the top right corner. Now, let's see how to activate conversion tracking. Now we see the new conversion that we've just created, and we notice that it has a status stopped. Click on the toggle switch to the right of the status stopped. On the screen, with a warning about changing the status, click yes to activate the conversion. Now our conversion has an active status and we can use it. For this, we need the integration code, which we can find by clicking the Get Code button. On the next screen, we see 3 different codes that can be copied to the clipboard. We only need 2 of them. But which exactly? Firstly, we take the general code and, according to the recommendation, in the information field above, we should integrate it on all pages of our website, after which the client can perform the target conversion action, placing it at the beginning of the body section. Once added, ensure the code is placed near the start of the code body section. This early placement helps ensure that the target conversion action is triggered as soon as possible. Here's an example of how it might look in your HTML. The next step requires to identify the confirmation event. If the target action for which we are making this conversion occurs directly on the website. If target action is a registration on the website. As an example, let's add a registration button to our website. Then copy and add the client-side URL code to the button's code. This acts as a conversion signal. You can optionally use the existing macro, conversion value USD, and replace it with a numerical value, e.g., the revenue generated from the conversion, before sending it to the platform for future optimization. You can also replace it with 0 if no numerical details are expected. Here is the registration button we've created to test the conversion. You could track the conversion when you get live traffic. The function getBMsClickID for user simulates fetching the BM's click ID from your database or stored session data. In a live environment, this should be replaced with your actual data retrieval logic. You may apply to your account manager or Bitmedia support to provide you with a test click ID or start buying traffic to check how it works. Each click ID is unique. Bitmedia adds it to your ad URL by default. For this video, we took a test click ID and added to the link. Click on the test register button and check your account in some 5 to 10 minutes to see the record of the conversion. If the target action can occur later, such as the first deposit or purchase, then we should take the Postback code and integrate it, not on our website, but on our backend server. In this case, check our text guide or ask your account manager or Bitmedia support service for assistance. Check our next video on how to set up Bitmedia's conversion tracking code in Google Tag Manager.